In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo on Shopify store. This quick walkthrough will show you how to replace or add your store logo using the theme editor. And I'll share a few practical tips to make sure your logo looks great across devices. Start by opening your Shopify admin and navigating to Online Store, then Themes. You'll see your current theme displayed here. Click Customize on that active theme to open the theme editor. This is the same place you make most visual changes, so it's a good idea to be comfortable here. When the theme editor loads, look at the left-hand panel for the theme settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Click that gear to reveal global settings for colors, typography, and other brand elements. Within those options, select Logo. This is where you manage the image used in your header. To add your logo, click Select or Add Images. That triggers the file picker where you can upload an image from your computer. Choose the logo file you've prepared and wait for it to upload. Once the image is uploaded and selected, click Done to confirm the choice. That action tells Shopify to use this image as your store's logo. After the logo is in place, you may want to adjust the desktop logo width. This control lets you scale the logo so it fits well in the header without overwhelming the navigation or appearing too small. Slide the width setting or enter a value until the logo looks balanced with your site's layout. Viewing the change in the theme preview helps you decide the right size. Finally, click Save to apply your changes to the live theme. Saving is important, otherwise the logo change will only appear in your editor and won't be visible to visitors. A few quick tips. Use a high-resolution PNG or SVG for best clarity, especially for transparent backgrounds and sharp edges. If your theme supports a separate mobile logo, check that setting too so the logo looks good on phones. And before you finalize, preview your store on desktop and mobile to confirm the logo scales and aligns correctly. That's all there is to it. In a few clicks, you've uploaded and configured your logo, adjusted the size, and saved the changes so your brand appears consistently across the storefront. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your store design.